Hey, it's X. Want to welcome everybody to the page. Doing a full walkthrough of the Quantum Edge Analytics machine build. So, for those who got the free repo on GitHub, you're already familiar with this. Those who have only played with the website, this is your intro to the CLI version. So, in the CLI, we're going to walk through the features that are useful. So starting off with number one, that's how I launched the server whenever I just want to use the website version, put pigs in the pig tank before pushing it online. So I've already updated all. I've already updated my streaks. I recommend that you clear your cache daily, update your streaks, update your player info. A lot of trades going on. Definitely don't want to forget that. So one quick thing, I'm going to walk everybody through my process as far as analyzing data for daily MLB games. So I'm going to go to all games, put in today's date. All right, so now as you see, you get alerts showing which games have weak pitchers. That's usually what I like to look at. Since it's only 4 games today, I'm probably just going to stick with the first 2, but I'll do one with you. So what I normally do is I take these stats at face value to decide whether I want to do further research. So I'm seeing that the Washington's pitcher, Mitchell Parker, has a high ERA, higher than average, a higher than average whip, slightly higher than average, a high hit H9 ratio, which means he gets about 9 hits per every 9 innings. So you can round that up to 10 hits for every 9 innings. So he's averaging about, if he's pitching 6 innings, he's probably going to give up 4 hits, give or take. Low strikeout rate, throws a lot of balls. So kind of probably finds himself in trouble. So what I usually do is I'm going to go here, highlight his name, copy. One thing I need to change is to make sure that the available commands box pops up every time you have to put in a command, but small bug. Okay, view player is 6, so I'm gonna go back to the game menu, back to commands, put in 6 so I can search the player, paste. Okay, probably an issue with how I pasted it. All right, now, so you get a deeper dive. Also, one thing that's broken is the result. It always says win, but the information here is correct. So I look at ground ball to air outs ratio. So he does put a lot of balls on the ground. Doesn't give up a lot of flyouts. So that's something to look at too, to see, okay, if this guy's giving up a lot of hits. If he's not giving up hits, is he giving up contact, a lot of air outs? Because fly balls can turn into sac flies. With the right conditions, can turn into home runs. But you see, he gets a lot of ground outs, more ground outs than air outs, but still a pretty substantial amount of air outs. So you can assume there will be contact. He's giving up a couple triples, a couple doubles, walked a good number of guys. Average batting average here is slightly above average. So that's one of the features that I like. So now I'm gonna open up the website. And this is only for my local device, unless I expose my local device to the internet. So one of the things I like is the pig tank. You can add pigs in here who you like. And this is for, cappers who want to have a website where they can post their picks, where everybody can see it, so it's not like all lost in the Discord. It's also for, small groups. Media helps for me to see the picks that I'm looking at for the day or the information that I'm wanting to gather before, actually making decisions. And this can be tuned to fantasy, pretty much any use case, any sport. Let me see what the odds on that are. Add pick. So then you get a nice clean layout, and you can get the time of the pick. I believe it's in military time. This is also a mobile friendly application to web app too. So, and everything you can do in the CLI, you can do here. Even have clickable player data. So yeah, a lot of interesting features and plenty more to come. Feel free to like, subscribe, tap in for more updates. I'll be posting the GitHub repo in the comment section or the description.